The human teeth plays a very important role in the food digestion. As you already know, digestion starts in the mouth itself. The teeth are also involved in the food digestion. First, when the food is ingested or taken into the mouth, the teeth cuts it up into pieces, which is then mixed with saliva and turns it into a bolus. This cutting and mixing is known as mastication. Anyways, the structure and the function of the human tooth are pretty much linked together. So let's look into that. There are 32 teeth in an adult human, and there are only 4 types of teeth: incisor, canine, molar, and premolar. First, let's talk about the structure of a basic tooth. So first up is the enamel, which is the white layer seen to everyone. This layer is the hardest tissue in the body and are made up of calcium salts. Its function is to protect the dentine. Next up is the dentine. It is made up of similar composition as enamel, but is softer than enamel. Dentine acts as a shock absorber, preventing damage to the pulp cavity and the nerves. Then it opens into the pulp cavity. It is the most sensitive part of the teeth, as it contains all the nerves and blood capillaries that bring blood rich in sugars and nutrients needed for the growth of teeth. Then is the root, which provides the pathway for the nerves and blood vessels. Okay, so now let's look into the types of teeth. First up is the incisor. So there are 2 incisors in each quarter jaw. It is positioned at the most front of the mouth. It has a spade-like shape and are sharp. Incisors are used for cutting and biting the food. Next are the canines. There is only 1 canine in each quarter jaw. It is positioned next to the incisor towards the inside of the mouth. Canines have a cone-like shape and are sharp and pointy. They are used for tearing and grasping the food. Then is the premolar. There are 2 premolars in each quarter jaw. It is positioned next to the canine towards the inside of the mouth. Premolars have 2 cusps on the surface of the crown. They are used for crushing and grinding the food. Okay, now comes turn for the last type of teeth, the molar. There are 3 molars in each quarter jaw and are positioned at the most back of the mouth. And just like premolars, molars are also used for crushing and grinding the food, but instead of 2 cusps on their crown, molars have 4 cusps. Well guys, that's all about teeth. Hope your doubts are cleared now.